Go add this to the cart. Go get you one. Y'all, this may be a look but don't touch unit, but she is gorgeous, honey. So the hairline is doing the thing, girl. The baby hairs, the baby hairing, like it is all coming together, honey. This was a throw on and go.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, plus you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, been taking it easy like poco a poco. Forget it forever, never been in endeavor, pretending under the pressure. I'm here to bless you, it's clear I don't wanna stress ya.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today, honey, I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit from the Outre Perfect Hairline Collection, honey, come through. So I'm wearing this unit in the style Dorelia and the color number DR4/brown sugar melt. So let's just pop it into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your two combs in the front, your one comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come with 13x5 HD lace parting space. It is pre-plucked, it has baby hairs, and it does also have an elastic band. So let me just come in and show y'all the hairline on this one. So the hairline is doing the thing, girl. The baby hairs, the baby hairing, like it is all coming together, honey. This was a throw on and go. Definitely something to note, y'all. I know I always do come through with the various styles, but for this one in particular, I did not want to go through and do a bunch of different styles because as you can see, it is that kinky, curly sort of texture. So the more that you put your fingers through this, honey, it is going to blow up and blow up and blow up. But the curls on this were so beautiful. I just really did not really want to disturb them because I am loving them just as they are. Like bam, honey. As you can see, I'm getting a little bit of frizziness already just from the little bit of manipulation that I did. So definitely do note, honey, if you go through and you're trying to part this and get different styles going, it is going to blow up on you. So I do recommend if you do pick this one up, definitely picking ahead of time where you want your part to be like I did. The more you play in it, honey, it's going to blow up and be unbearable. So this unit is honestly reminding me very much of the Outre Dominica unit for sure. As far as the curl pattern is concerned, the texture on this one is kind of giving dried out yaki. I'm not mad at it though. The quality of it feels pretty good. The cap size on this one is definitely going to be small, medium, and big head friendly, honey. I'm wearing this bad boy glueless. Aside from me using my bull hold spray on my baby hairs as always and my foaming mousse on my baby hairs as always, I did not adhere any spray underneath, honey. The elastic band is given what it should be given. I did go in and adjust the straps to the tightest settings because y'all know I have a smaller head. It's 22 inches to 22.5 inches in circumference, and honey is sitting and she ain't sliding, and there's some stretch to the cap and it's breathable. Outre, you're listening, you're taking notes. So the length on this unit as listed on the start card is 22 inches. So I'm here for the length. I am here for the length, honey. Of course, you're going to get more length when you stretch it out, but I'm just loving the way that it's sitting right here. This unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So you can definitely go in and add heat if you feel the need to. And the color of this is DR4 Brown Sugar Melt. This is a new color that they're coming out with, and I'm living for it. It is very complimentary to my skin tone, if I don't say so myself. So y'all know I always feel a little bit strange popping out of my comfort zone, trying different colors and stuff. But honey, this, I could get with this. This is fall approved. This is summer approved. This is spring approved. This is all year round approved, and this is given. It's giving. You can't tell me this is not my hair, because why? Because it is. It is. It's literally my hair. Like, they're charging us reasonable prices for gorgeous units with great hairlines. Like, honey, that is what we look for in a unit. Body, volume, texture. Yes. So speaking of volume, the volume on this one, girl, y'all see she's full. She's full. Like I said, I did not fluff it out. If I fluffed it out, this bad boy would probably be 200% density. Like, girl, this unit is finger combed minimally, and it's sitting at like 180%. Like, you see that? And it's not heavy at all on my head. Like, can we get a moment of silence? Because what? Outre killed it once again. So we're just popping into the cons and the pros of this unit. I don't have any cons. You know why? Because I feel like if you've been through curly synthetic hair, you know the downfalls that come with it. You know you're going to have some tangling. You know you're going to have some shedding. You know that it's high maintenance. Like, so all of those things aside, there's literally no cons with this unit. Anything negative about this unit is going to be just based on experience wearing synthetic hair. You're going to get tangling. You're going to get shedding. It's going to blow up. Like, you dig what I'm saying? So I feel like all those aren't necessarily a con, because it's just something you should go in expecting with a synthetic curly unit. Now for my pros on this unit, the color. The color. Right, like the color. Girl, she's looking like the stock card. Like, girl, this color is beautiful. This curl pattern is gorgeous. The parting space, yes. The baby hairs, yes. The fact that it's plucked, yes. Like, I am so happy I picked this unit up. I will continue picking up all of your units, Outre, because regardless, I may get one in the bunch that may not be hidden the way that I feel like it should be hidden, but most of the time, girl, especially the perfect hairline, girl, it be hidden the way that it should be hidden, and I'm here for it, and I'm happy I picked it up. And I feel like if you're a curly hair girl, go add this to the cart, go get you one, because I'm sure she's probably hidden in every color. Like, girl, you can tell me nothing in this hair. Like, so that's pretty much what I would say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.